Good late evening, everyone. I have another great song for you by Keith Whitley again. This is the third one I've done today. Um, I may do some other of his another day, but this one is a great song. I'm no stranger to the rain. Many of you may know that Keith Whitley committed suicide at a young age when he was a big star, making millions of dollars, married to the most beautiful Miss Lori Morgan, who was also a country music sensation as a female artist, and he was very, very depressed and troubled. And although he had all those wonderful blessings and things going for him, he succumbed to suicide because of his deep, deep depression. So anyhow, it's very sad. I'm sorry we lost him. He had a fantastic singing voice, a great style, good-looking man, and very nice. Unfortunately, he was not happy. Anyhow, let's get to the song. I'm glad to do it for you. It's been a long time since I've done this song. So we'll see how we do. I hope you enjoy it. So here we go. Stranger to the rain. I'm a friend of thunder. Friend isn't any wonder. Lightning strikes me. I fought with the devil, got down on his level, but I never gave up. And so he gave up on me. I'm no stranger to the rain. Bad weather, and I'm good at finding shelter in a downpour. I've been sacrificed by brothers, crucified by lovers, but through it all I've withstood the pain. I'm no stranger to the rain. When I get that foggy feeling, when I'm feeling down, if I don't keep my head up, I may drown. But it's hard to keep believing I'll even come out even while the rain be churned home in the ground. And tonight it's really coming down. I'm no stranger to the rain, but there'll always be tomorrow, and I'll beg still to borrow a little sunshine. And I'll put this cloud behind me. That's how the man designed me, to ride the wind and dance in a hurricane. and I'll put this cloud behind me. That's how the band designed me, to ride the wind and dance in a hurricane. I'm no stranger to the rain, oh no. I'm no stranger to the rain, oh no. I'm no stranger to the rain. Thank you very much. I sure enjoyed playing that for you. It's been a long time, but wow, what a great song. Keith Whitley was a great artist, and it's a shame we lost him at such a young age. Wow. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed that.